Hi everyone, this video is being posted on Tuesday, March 22nd, 2022. I'm coming to you from outside Moffitt Student Center here on campus. My name is Jessie Zamora and I work in the college's enrollment department as a student care coordinator. Today I'm filling in for Dr. Katie, who is unavailable because she is learning what to look for when purchasing a house and binge watching Home Inspector Joe on HGTV. At least that's what I've been told. Two huge events are happening this week here on campus. The first is our Spring Career Fair happening tomorrow, Wednesday, March 23rd, from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Current students and alumni will have the opportunity to meet over 70 potential employers. That's including Adams Cable, Simplex, Mount Airy Casino, Sanofi, Barton Supply, and that's just to name a few. So good luck to all our students and our alumni. Please be dressed to impress. Then this Saturday, March 26th, join us for our Spring Open House from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Open House is an excellent opportunity for prospective students to get a feel for what our campus has to offer. Our guests will be able to speak with Johnson College faculty, staff, current students, explore the campus, the lab areas, learn about our financial aid, our academics, and fill out a free application. If you're planning to attend Open House, remember to bring your high school transcripts for an instant decision. To register to attend this Saturday's Open House, visit johnson.edu/open house. I'm looking forward to seeing everyone walking around campus. It's my favorite event. If you're a golfer, odds are that you've already been on the course or are planning to be soon. As you plan for our golf outings this year, be sure to register for our 29th annual Johnson College Open at the johnson.edu/golf. It will be held on May 20th at Pine Hills Country Club here in Taylor. Also, if you're a business organization and would like to sponsor the Open, which benefits our Presidential Scholarship Fund, please visit our website, johnson.edu/golf, for more information. And now, for my final note of the week. Many people do not know that I'm the first person in my family to finish any higher education schooling. Now I get to work in a place where I can inspire others to pursue a brighter and better future. This is why I take pride coming into Johnson College every day and seeing students find independence, satisfaction, and obtain the skills to enter the workforce and to obtain a family-sustaining wage which may ease the burden for future generations to come. But the main thing, I love seeing the look on their faces and their family faces when they graduate. It's the best. The inspiration I get from working here is why I keep encouraging my son to pursue an education and continue breaking all types of barriers, from cultural barriers, perception barriers, socioeconomic barriers, and so on. Johnson College is an institution of learning, but it is also where I have met many wonderful people who I consider family. Together, we make each person who walks in our doors feel the same way. As for me, I thank everyone who inspires me daily, from my parents, my family members, my co-workers, my friends, and above all, the love of my life, my son. I will continue to give it my all every day to achieve more, help more, learn more. So come to Open House, meet me and my special enrollment family who are dedicated to helping you pursue your next big step. That is it for this week's presidential update video from outside the Moffitt Student Center, where we'll be setting up for our Open House registration table this Saturday. I'm Jessie Zamora. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, be well, and have a great week. Stay away from the wind.